understanding for their audience, funders, and critics. The last question. Sorry. Rasika and Jose. Thank you. Let's see. The last question deals with our environment, new media, globalization, our location, and how does all of this play into cultural change? How does access to information impact innovation? How does the unique access that the Bay Area has to culturally diverse communities impact innovation? And that will be with Lily, and Rob. So now I'm going to hand the mic over to Jessica to explain the format.
Okay, so you've heard the questions, and let me explain what we're going to do here tonight. We're using a version of the World Cafe, which is a kind of discussion facilitation technique. There are either one or two tables discussing each of the 5 questions that Thais outlined. You have a chance to switch tables twice during the course of the evening. You're going to sit at a table for 20 minutes, you'll have a conversation, and then you will be forced to get up and move to another table, have another conversation. You'll get 3 tables over the course of the evening, so we'll spend an hour switching tables, and then at the end of that time, we're going to hear what everybody said. So we'll have report backs, and the leaders of the conversations will say a few words into the mic, and then anyone else who wants to sort of jump in at that point can do so. The law of 2 feet applies for this event, which means that if you're bored or if you don't like the conversation at the table that you're at, you can get up and move to another table at any time during this time. We have a volunteer at each table taking notes, and the notes are going to be transformed into posts that are going to go on the Counterpulse website blog. So one of the most exciting things is that Performing Diaspora is not just a program that's here in the real world at Counterpulse, it's also an incredibly robust online dialogue and documentation of events at counterpulse.org. So I encourage you to check back in next week, watch videos of the artists, read their musings, and also comment on what people wrote about what you said this evening. So does anyone have any questions? Does everyone understand what I'm asking you to do? Nod at me and look friendly if you understand what I'm asking you to do. Okay, yay! One more thing, which is that your table has crayons on it and a paper on it, and so I encourage you, as you're having the conversation, to doodle, write questions, take notes, otherwise document the lively discussions that you're about to have. So I am going to check back in with you in 15 minutes to give you a 5-minute warning. You have the option of either staying at the table at which you are seated or choosing another table if there's another conversation that you would more rather discuss. Thank you so much, and let the debates begin.
I'm get with you later.
Hi, everybody. Hi. Four-way conversation. So basically, what we all were doing today. But what I guess our leaders worthy of exception or based on what is performing to that another one was okay. And then lastly, made or done the same way as discussion-wise, I think that we can talk to and obviously not. So maybe before we dive in, we'll just go around and do So we met because we were together at Laurel, and then I also happened to see I was very beginner never, and I like and it is. Yeah.
Same tools and the same vocabulary, but telling different stories.
So you have a set of standard conditions that could be codified in the language.
Yes. Yes. So, for, I mean, that's sort of
sort of touches around
no matter how fascinating it is. But so it picks as an additional form that is identified with what you're feeling about how other people
And then you can yeah, that's
So I mean, I think it was very successful. Change within the context of what then people being able to see his work.
really hard because there's like people just run over so much and like I don't want to be like here or like what's the Gaga like and I'm still working. So like the internet is great. We've met like Steve and stuff. It's a good inspiration. And then I also know that I will have lots of chances to explain what I'm learning to other people, which is nice too.
So how, I guess, I'm also curious, like when you first saw it, was it suffice that like when you see
that was my answer.
Yeah.
what you specifically, and then when you learn more about it, what changed?